That is the video exporting that went up today.
Or if you're watching this 2 days ago, yesterday? I don't know, but I'm starting the vlog for tomorrow early today. You know why? Because I want to document the snow. Ugh. Look at this. It'll probably be here tomorrow. Oh my God, it's so cold. It's coming in. But look. It's snowing. See you guys. Pick back up tomorrow. It is way too cold for me to be out here. I'm going back inside. I'm not a baby, okay? Look, the roads, they have been scraped by like the snow plow and salted, but they're just ice. The roads are just ice, okay?
Oh, honey, I have gloves.
Feel my hands.
No,
Feel
no,
them.
no, no.
Isn't it cold? I'm not weak. We're gonna get some gloves on. We're gonna go back out there and conquer. Let's go try again. Round 2, not 4. Round 2. I dropped the keys. Okay, so the hope here is that this isn't frozen and that the car can. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm no cold and weather expert, but I do know it's 27 degrees outside. So what we're gonna do is put the keys into the car and turn the windshield wipers off. Let her warm up for a minute with just the electric with the keys in. Okay, now it's been about 20 seconds. We're gonna try to start up the car. Let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. And she started that time. A little concerning the first time around. Just completely shut off. Okay. Let's go scrape the rest of this ice off. So I went to use my Manfrotto tripod and I can't unlatch this to put the camera on because it's frozen. As you can see, the frost. I guess that's what negative temperatures get you. Manfrotto, improve your product. What is this? What is this? Well, since I can't get that tripod to work, no more ice scraping montage. Ooh. I drove the car around just for a little lap, see if it still works, and this entire street is ice. See that? It's clearly ice. The reason for that is because it was raining yesterday, and as it was raining, it started to drop in temperature, making it freezing. So ultimately the rain froze and then it snowed on top of it, and then most of the snow is frozen. So it just makes for an all-around horrible experience out here. But there's a stray cat that lives near here, and Sydney made it this little home, hoping it would come here last night, because it always comes up on our porch. Left a salmon fillet and everything. She hasn't come yet. She'll come. She'll come. But on today's frosty and icy day, we are going to train legs. Not only then the hamstrings and a little bit of quads. But before we do that, we always need a good pre-workout drink to get us going. What is that pre-workout drink? Well, espresso! Let's get it making.
Christmas time on high.
I'll just got some coffee on the lens. I'll just make a new one. Oh, that sucks. Well, I got the new one made. That kind of sucks. Okay, now we drink this good espresso that's not spilt everywhere. And we go train legs. Hardcore leg day. Let's go. Overtraining the muscles. As we always do. Just kidding, don't do that. So we made it to the factory, and look at that. The engine didn't cool up all the way, which I'm honestly surprised it didn't cool up all the way. Or heat up all the way, not cool up. Because it's like a 5-mile drive here. It's that cold. Negative 27, I guess, is pretty cold. All right, leg time. I'm just gonna put the words and the numbers for what these workouts I'm doing because it's way too loud here with the music. I'm in the corner where there's no music right now, that's why you can hear me, but it is extremely loud. Again with the Smith machine today for squats. All right, guys, workout is complete. You can't see me. Look, see half my face, and now you can't. So workout's complete. It was cold in the gym. It's inside of a warehouse, so oh, there goes my light. It's inside of a warehouse, so it's a little cold in there. Yeah, it was a good workout. My shoulder is kind of freaking me out. I don't want to get it messed up. I actually injured it during deployment, so hopefully that injury doesn't come back. I had dislocated it. Might need to go to the VA to get it looked at again, which I really hope not, because it honestly spooks me. It kind of hurts right now. But I'm gonna end the video here. It was quite a quick one today. Just snowed in, so we can't really go do anything. Everything's shut down besides the gym, thankfully. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so if you're watching this, happy Christmas Eve, or Merry Christmas Eve. I'll see you tomorrow at the gym. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.